Very good morning, all the students of fourth standard, and we are learning here our history is 12th lesson, the siege of Purandar and the treaty with the Mughal emperor. This lesson we are learning, and page number 47 is going on of our lesson, the siege of Purandar and the treaty with the Mughals. So in a previous video we have seen Morarbaji's incomparable valor. We have studied, or we have seen in a previous video, how Morarbaji, how he fight, how he defend, how he gives strong resistance against the Diler Khan's army, how he was surrounded by the Mughals armies, and how Diler Khan he hit an arrow, he shoot an arrow from his elephant howdahs there, and that arrow which was released by Diler Khan, that arrow pierced Morarbaji's neck and he fell on the ground. So the soldiers, Maratha soldiers, they took the body of Morarbaji on the upper fort, and each Maratha sardars or the soldiers, they began to be fight with more vigorously. Shivaji also knew that he could defend each fort at least once a year continuously. He can defend against the Mughals, but he do not want his men, brave men like Morarbaji at any cost. So he was unwillingly decided to make a treaty with Aurangzeb, or the treaty is also known as a treaty of Purandar. Treaty of Purandar, my dear. What could be done? What could be done? He was not strong enough to fight the powerful Mughals. Shivaji Maharaj was not that much strong also, or he was not that much strong enough to fight against the powerful Mughals or the Mughal army. Initially at the beginning stage there we have seen he was not that much powerful, he was not that much strong. All his political skill was also of no avail. That his political skill, his strategy, his ideas were no avail, no use of his ideas, his skill, his knowledge, his presence of mind. There was only one thing he could do. There was only one thing that he could do. What things he can do? That he decided on a temporary withdrawal from the fight. He decided, Shivaji Maharaj decided on a temporary withdrawal. What did he decide? He decided to make a temporary withdrawal from the fight. Temporarily, short, for the specific period of time, shortly. He can withdraw, he can stop the fight, he can stop the battles to make an agreement or the treaty with the Mughals. So he would enter into a treaty with the Mughals emperor. So Shivaji Maharaj, he would enter with a treaty with the Mughal emperor. So he decided to make a treaty with the Mughal emperor. What kind of treaty? Temporary treaty to stop the war activity, to stop the battles, to stop the war. For that purpose, Shivaji Maharaj made temporary agreement or the treaty with the Mughal emperor. He went and saw Jai Singh. Shivaji Maharaj went there, especially from himself. He himself went and saw the Jai Singh. He met with the Mirza Raja Jai Singh, Rajput officers from Aurangzeb, from the Mughal side there. This was a very sensible and statesmanship, statements like things to do. Mirza Raje Jai Singh was also very strong, very stable, sensible, statesmanship man who likes to do all the things there. He met to Mirza Raje Jai Singh and said to Jai Singh, Shivaji Maharaj personally he met to Mirza Raje Jai Singh and he said to Jai Singh, Mirza Raje, you are a Rajput. He said that Mirza Raje, you are the Rajput officers or you are the Rajput Sardar. Shivaji Maharaj when he met to Mirza Raje Jai Singh, then he spoke. There was a discussions. Here is a discussion between the Mirza Raje and Shivaji Maharaj. Mirza Raje, you are a Rajput. You can understand our suffering. You can understand our suffering. How we are suffering here, that you can understand. You are the persons like us. You are also a Sardar, and you can understand our suffering. How we are suffering here. What kind of our situation is there, that we can understand. Aito? So you can understand our suffering, how we are suffering, our conditions. You can understand here. The emperor's campaigns have led the country west, and peoples are in a great misery. Emperor's campaign, Aurangzeb's what are the campaign is there in the southern side in the Swaraj. That campaigns made misery to the peoples. Innocent peoples suffered due to the emperor's campaigns, and it causes a great misery in Swaraj. It is wastage of property also, it is wastage of life also, and people's property also. It's not good. Like you say, Shivaji Maharaj was speaking with the Mirza Raje Singh. I have undertaken this task of establishing Swaraj so that peoples may be happy. Why I have chosen this task? Why I have set up and established the Swaraj in the Maharashtra? Because the people, those who live in the Maharashtra, they could live happily. They could spend their life in happiness. I should bring happiness in their life. For the purpose, I have set up this Swaraj, or I have undertaken the task to set up or to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra for the sake of the peoples, for their happiness, for their safetyness. And because of me only, if this is happening, then it is not good. You should join me in this uphill task. And this task is not easy. It is uphill task, means when you are climbing hill or the mountain, how it is difficult to be climbed. Like same way this task is there. It is very difficult task for us or for me. And I request you that you can understand our situation, you can understand our problems, our condition. I request you that you should join us in this task, or in the uphill of this task or the condition. The task which I have undertaken to set up the Swaraj for the sake of the people, for the safety of the peoples, you can join in this task. If you agree to lead us, myself and my Maulas will be your trusted followers. And also Shivaji Maharaj said, he replied her request that if you will be join us, then I will not lead, I will not become the ruler or the king of the Swaraj or the Marathas territory. That if you will join us, then myself and my Maulas, all they will support you, they will become your followers. We are ready to accept your overlordship. Means we will follow you. You can rule. We will follow you. We will assist you. We will help you in this work to set up to establish Swaraj for the sake of the common peoples, for the development of the common people, for their life, for the safety of their life and the property there. So he was speaking with Mirza Raje Singh. If you agree to lead us, then myself and my Maulas will be your trusted followers. Jai Singh was a shrewd diplomat, and eventually we see that Mirza Raje Singh, he was a shrewd diplomat. He was expert in discussions, he was expert in the politics, in the tactics. He knew the situations very well, that he can handle all the situations. He had a lot of experience about these situations, and he was expert, good statesmanship, he was expert in the political skill also there. So he was a shrewd diplomat there. He can use the different planning tactics. He is the master of plannings and the tactics in the political skills or in the administrations. So he Mirza Raje Singh, he managed Shivaji, or he managed to persuade Shivaji to sign a treaty of peace with the emperor. So he changed the favor, he changed the mind of the Shivaji Maharaj, and he managed to confirm Shivaji to make a treaty with the Mughal emperor, treaty of peace, to withdraw the enhancing activities or increasing military activities in the Swaraj. For that, Shivaji Maharaj should make one agreement with the Mughal emperor. That agreement is the treaty of peace, silence. So he confirmed Shivaji. He changed Shivaji's mind to sign this one. So today we'll stop here. When we'll come tomorrow, then tomorrow we'll come with the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.